Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're looking at the pros and cons of using Deepseek. Deepseek, the AI that knows everything except where you left your keys. Let's be real. Searching the internet is like asking a toddler for directions. Enter Deepseek, the AI-powered search tool that promises to find answers faster than you can say, wait, what was I looking for? But is it actually smarter than Google? Or just another chat box with a superiority complex? Grab your coffee and maybe a magnifying glass and let's investigate. Now, we're going to look at the good, the bad, and the ugly. By ugly, I mean, why is it ignoring my question? Let's get started. The first category we're going to look at is the speed search. Or should I say search speed? Anyone? Search, speed search. You decide. Now, when it comes to search speed, the pro is that it finds answer faster than your X moves on. The con? Sometimes fast means here is a completely unrelated Wikipedia article. In the category of AI-powered answers, the pro is that it summarizes complex topics so you don't have to read, which is a blessing. The con? Summarize might mean oversimplified to the point of nonsense. When it comes to accuracy, it is usually right unless you ask about politics, aliens, or your love life. When it comes to the con, high confidence answers can still be hilariously wrong. When it comes to privacy, it claims not to sell your data, unlike some social media apps. And when it comes to the con, it still tracks your searches enough to know you've Googled how to fold a fitted sheet 47 times. When it comes to the free plan or the free trial, the pro is that no paywall yet, unlike your dating app's premium features. When it comes to the con, ads will sneak in like sponsored results from companies you've never heard of. So what's our final verdict? Should you ditch Google for Deepseek? For lazy researchers, yes, do my homework, Robert. For skeptics, I think they should stick to Google and their conspiracy theories. What am I saying? Deepseek is like a know-it-all librarian, super helpful until it starts judging your search history. So use it for quick answers, but maybe double check if it tells you the earth is flat. P.S. If Deepseek ever becomes sentient, we are blaming you for all those weird searches. Are you still unsure? Ask it. Why do cats knock things off tables? If the answer makes sense, then you can trust it. If not, well, welcome to the internet. Hope you found this video helpful.